Hey babe, car's nice. We like it. Listen to this. That's what it does. Ask him, he knows. Why does it spit out water?
Why? It's not gas. Haven't been driving through. You know how when you fire your car first thing in the morning, you see it?
Say hi to Daddy.